So hi everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back once again to the channel. So there are a number of doubts among students about how phase 1, phase 2 and interview, all the three phases are conducted. बहुत छोटे छोटे डाउट्स हैं लोगों के कि क्या कैलकुलेटर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, फेज 2 में सुबह कौन सा पेपर होता है, शाम को कौन सा पेपर होता है, इज देयर एनी गैप बिटवीन द थ्री पेपर्स ऑफ फेज 2, इंटरव्यू का कॉल लेटर कैसे आता है, इंटरव्यू कहाँ कहाँ पे होता है, कौन कौन से सिटीज में होता है. So all of these small doubts will be clarified in this particular video. जितने भी आपके छोटे छोटे doubts हैं with respect to how the examination is conducted, how the RBI grade B examination is conducted, all your doubts will be clarified in this video. All right, so let's begin with the phase 1 and each and every minute details I am going to tell you in this particular video. First of all, if I talk about the phase 1, how phase 1 is conducted, it's a computer based test, right? You need to visit to the online centers जो कि आपको एडमिट कार्ड में मिलता है, right? 1 week before the before this phase 1, 1 week before the date of phase 1 you get your admit card and you have to visit to the examination center where your test is conducted in online mode, right? इसके बाद जो दूसरी इंपॉर्टेंट बात है वो ये है that the phase 1 is conducted in 2 shifts, right? The phase 1 is conducted in 2 shifts on same day. एक ही दिन में अलग अलग 2 शिफ्ट्स में होता है. Now you must be wondering कि अगर shift 2 का पेपर आसान आ गया, what if the question paper of shift 2 is easy and shift 1 is difficult? So don't worry, they do the normalization, right? They do the normalization. And what is the meaning of normalization? So for example, if shift 1 is difficult, if shift 1 is let's say difficult and shift 2 is easy, then what will happen? Either the marks of shift 1 people will decrease, they will increase the marks, or the marks of shift 2 जिनका जो शिफ्ट था वो इजी था वो थोड़े से कम कर देंगे, तो बेसिकली बराबर कर देंगे, तो उसकी आपको चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड इट इज अ वेरी ह्यूमनिस्टिक बिहेवियर दैट एवरीबडी थिंक्स दैट हमारा जो शिफ्ट था वो डिफिकल्ट था, सो डोंट यू हैव टू वरी अबाउट दैट, राइट? नाउ ऑब्वियसली यू मस्ट, देखो आप में से कई लोग होंगे जिनको इसमें से बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन पता होगी या सारी भी पता होगी, सो दिस वीडियो इज नॉट फॉर यू. दिस वीडियो इज फॉर दोस्त who are completely unaware about this examination and some small facts about this examination. The test, the phase 1 consists of 200 questions having 4 subjects. 4 subjects होते हैं, GA, Quant, Reasoning and English. 2 घंटे मिलते हैं आपको and there are sectional timings as well. Total time is 2 hours and sectional timings for each subject is also there. Which are the subjects? GA, which consists of 80 questions, right? 25 minutes you will get. English 30 questions, 25 minutes again you will get. Quant 30 questions, 25 minutes you will get. And reasoning 60 questions you will get, 45 minutes for the reasoning section. And these are the sectional timings. Sectional timings means you will get 25 minutes only to cover GA. You will get this 25 minutes only to cover English, which means in this 25 minutes which have been allocated for GA, you cannot switch to attempt English or let's say Quant or Reasoning. So basically the point is you cannot jump from one section to another unless the timing has been the timing of a particular section has been completed. ठीक है? और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आपने एक सेक्शन जो सीक्वेंस एग्जामिनेशन में होगा वही सीक्वेंस आपको फॉलो करनी पड़ेगी. It's not like that you want to attempt English first so you can start with English first. No, it does not happen like that. ठीक है जी? If there is this sequence, generally this sequence is there: GA, English, Quant and Reasoning. First you get the GA, second you get the English, third you get the Quant and fourth you get the Reasoning. It changes as well, but generally the sequence remains this only, right? Now rough sheets and pen are provided at the examination center for the calculation. For rough calculation they provide you rough sheets and pen, and there is no limit for rough sheets. रफ शीट्स पे आप लिखते हो, रफ कैलकुलेशन करते हो एंड देन दे टेक बैक दोज रफ शीट्स. देयर इज एक्स्ट्रा टाइम फॉर PWD कैंडिडेट्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन द लेवल ऑफ डिसेबिलिटीज. जनरली 20 minutes आर प्रोवाइडेड, राइट? नाउ सिंस इट इज अ कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट which obviously is a technology, so there might be certain technical glitches. So if there is any technical glitch you get extra time. मतलब for example let's say after 20 minutes your examination, your computer gets stop. ठीक है, तो what will happen if you will continue your examination with the same roll number, registration number and password, you will be able to continue your examination from here only. ठीक है, so not to worry about that. All right, examination centers are mentioned in the notification. If you want to know whether the examination is going to take place in your city, so you can visit the 2023 notification, you will have an idea about that. You can switch the language. If you are a Hindi medium student, then you can switch the language from English to Hindi during any time during the 2 hours. During these 2 hours, you can switch your language from English to Hindi or from Hindi to English, whatever you like. Obviously, जो English वाला होगा वो तो हिंदी में convert नहीं होगा. This English section will not be converted into Hindi, and only 2 languages, Hindi and English. इसके अलावा the examination is not conducted in regional language. You have to either use English or Hindi. No use of calculator. Some people says that in the portal, in the interface of examination, on the right hand side they provide calculator. Absolutely not. This is a false information. Calculator is not provided. ठीक है जी. And there is a negative marking. Obviously 1/4 की negative marking होती है. 1/4 का negative marking होता है. If you mark the answer correct, you will get 1 mark. If you mark it incorrect, your 0.25 marks will be deducted. 0.25 marks will be deducted. So this is about phase 1. If you have any doubt with respect to the with respect to how phase 1 is conducted, you can ask me in the comment section. ठीक है, ये मेरी तरफ से थे. मे भी आप लोगों के दिमाग में कोई और डाउट्स होंगे, तो आई विल बी आंसरिंग ऑल दोज डाउट्स. Each and every doubt I will be answering with respect to how phase 1 is conducted. Now let's talk about the phase 2. Phase 2 में objective भी होता है and there is a descriptive as well. And this is a very common doubt among especially the new aspirants, that whether the descriptive paper have to be, whether the descriptive paper is conducted on computer or it is a pen paper based test. So let me clarify this doubt. The phase 2, entire phase 2 is conducted on computer. Entire phase 2 is conducted in ऑनलाइन मोड में ही कंडक्ट किया जाता है. दोनों ऑब्जेक्टिव भी और डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी. डिस्क्रिप्टिव के लिए यू नीड टू टाइप ऑन द कंप्यूटर, so that's why you need a decent and good typing speed only if you want to clear this examination, right? Now talking about the phase 2 subjects, there are 3 subjects in phase 2: ESI, FM and English descriptive. In ESI 100 marks is there and you get 120 minutes. In FM also total 100 marks is there and you get 120 minutes. English descriptive 100 marks का होता है and not 120, you get 90 minutes, right? You get 90 minutes in English, not 120, right? Now talking about ESI and FM, how many questions are there और कितने marks से होते. So the ESI and FM both papers are divided into 2 parts. Number 1 objective, number 2 is descriptive. In objective there are 30 questions, right? There are 30 questions of 50 marks, right? And what is the bifurcation of 30 questions? 20 questions of 2 markers, which is 20 into 40, and 10 questions of 1 markers, which is 10 into 1, 10. So it becomes 50. Descriptive mein what happens? Again, descriptive is of 50 marks. So this 50 and this 50 becomes 100, right? 50 marks में 6 questions आते हैं, out of which you have to attempt 4 questions. ठीक है, 3 questions of 15 markers and 3 questions of 10 markers. And out of 3 questions of 15 markers, you have to attempt 2 questions of 15 markers, which means 30 marks, and 2 questions of 10 markers out of 3 questions given of 10 markers. ठीक है, मैं रिपीट कर देता हूं, 10 मार्क के 3 क्वेश्चन, 15 मार्क्स के 3 क्वेश्चन, और दोनों के 3 में से आपको 2 करने होते, राइट? English descriptive में there are 3 questions. 1 essay is confirmed. The word limit of essay these days is 500 to 600 words, right? 1 RC, they ask 5 questions in RC. 5 questions in RC, each of 6 marks each. 6 marks each. So 6 into 5, 30 marks का RC होता है आपका, 40 marks का essay होता है. And for 30 marks का या तो प्रेसी आता है या फिर लेटर. ठीक है, either प्रेसी और लेटर. ठीक है. Now, rough sheets and pen are again provided for calculation, and there is an extra time provision for the PWD candidates. And very important information is this: in the morning they conduct FM. पहले शिफ्ट में आपका एफएम होगा, सेम डे पे तीनों पेपर होंगे. All the three papers are conducted on the same day. All the three papers are conducted on the same day because the number of candidates are very less, right? So in the morning, FM paper is conducted. After that, FM का 2 घंटे का पेपर हो गया. You will get a break of 2 hours after that, and then in ESI and English without any break, right? यहाँ पे आपको कोई ब्रेक नहीं मिलता. पहले ESI होगा फिर इंग्लिश हो जाए बिना किसी ब्रेक के. ESI 2 घंटे और इंग्लिश 1.5 घंटे, दैट इज 90 मिनट्स. ठीक है जी. आई होप ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन आर क्लियर. नाउ एग्जाम सेंटर्स अगेन ऑफ फेज 2 आर मेंशन्ड इन योर in the notification, and yes, the number of exam centers in phase 2 are very less as compared to the phase 1 because of the obvious reason, the number of candidates are very less in phase 2. There is no use of calculator. Calculator का कोई use नहीं कर सकते. Switching of language is also allowed in phase 2. You can switch from English to Hindi or Hindi to English, right? Either from English to, and you can use either of these languages, English or Hindi, not any third. And same day, one shift में ही आपका पेपर होता है. And yes, there is a negative marking. Obviously, there cannot be negative marking in descriptive, but in the objective, there is a negative marking of again 1/4. 1/4 की नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है. ठीक है. एंड इन द 2 markers question, if you mark the answer correctly, you will get 2 marks. However, if you marked it incorrectly, 0.5 marks will be deducted. In case of 1 marker question, your 0.25 marks will be deducted if you mark the answer incorrectly. And if you leave the question, no marks, no negative, no positive marks, no negative marks, 0 मिल जाएगा आपको. ठीक है. That was all about phase 2. Now, if you have any doubt with respect to phase 2, please ask me in the comment section. Now, when you will clear the phase 2, you will have to get through the interview. Now, interview के बारे में बहुत doubts रहते हैं, मैं बता देता हूँ. So, you will get the admit card of interview through your email. They do not release on their website. For phase 1 and phase 2, they provide admit card. They release admit card. RBI releases the admit card on its website, right? But for interview, they send admit card through the email, which contains all the information about your interview, the date of interview, the timings of interview, the location of your interview, right? The interviews are conducted only in these 4 cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai, and your center is decided with respect to your location. For example, if you are living in northern India, you will be called at Delhi for the interview. If you are residing in central or western India, you will be called for interview at Mumbai. So जो भी center आपके पास होगा, you will be called there for the interview. And the best thing about interview of RBI is the same panelist, same set of panelists. There are 5 to 6 panelists. In 2023, there were 6 panelists. 22 में there were 5. So same panelist takes the interview. यही पैनलिस्ट दिल्ली में भी बैठेगा, मुंबई में भी बैठेगा, कोलकाता में बैठेगा, चेन्नई में भी बैठेगा. इसलिए इट टेक्स अराउंड 2 months for the completion of interview round of RBI because same panelist take the interview of around 500-600 students, around 600 students. ठीक है जी. Number of panelists 5 to 6. Yes, document verification is conducted just before the interview on the day of interview when you will be going for the interview. So just before going to the interview, your document will be verified, your document will be checked. And yes, there is a random allocation. आपको दिल्ली भी भेजा जा सकता है, मुंबई भी भेजा जा सकता है. ठीक है. After this, what happens after interview? The results, the final results come out in a week or let's say 10 days. And after that, it takes 2 to 3 months for the final call letter, final joining letter. उससे पहले joining letter पे जाने से पहले ही आपका मेडिकल हो जाता है, जो कि आपको खुद कराना होता है. ठीक है जी. So this is the entire process of how the RBI Grade B examination is conducted. Still, if you have any doubts, मेरे पास जितने भी doubts थे वो मैंने ले लिए हैं, but अगर और भी कोई doubt आपके पास है, so you guys can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer each and every doubt. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye. Take care and God bless.